Hey there, adventurers! Today we're diving into the wild headfirst to learn the do's and don'ts of surviving when you're stranded in the forest. It's all about respect for Mother Nature and respect for your own limitations. Now, I've wrestled crocs, drank snake blood, and even slept in a camel carcass to survive. But trust me, a little know-how goes a long way in the wild. So let's get our priorities straight and our survival instincts fired up. Let's get started. First things first, we need to find ourselves a good water source. Remember, out here, hydration is king. Look for running water if you can. It's generally safer than stagnant pools, and if you can only find a questionable puddle, well, we'll get to purifying that later. Remember, desperation doesn't mean stupidity. We're smarter than that. Now, you might be tempted by those juicy-looking berries, all bright red and plump, but hold your horses. We don't go shoving anything in our mouths unless we know what it is. Could be delicious, could be the last meal you ever eat. And trust me, I've eaten some dodgy things in my time, but I always try to know what I'm getting into. Next up, we need to build ourselves a home away from home. And I'm not talking about a 5-star hotel. We're talking basic, functional shelter. Find a fallen log, use branches and leaves to create a lean-to. It might not be pretty, but it'll keep the worst of the elements off you. Remember, a good night's sleep can mean the difference between a survivor and, well, you know. Fire, it's a primal instinct, a source of warmth, comfort, and danger if you're not careful. We're not just talking about burning your dinner here. One wrong spark in a dry forest and the whole place could go up. So clear the area, build a fire ring with stones, and for goodness sake, be careful. We've covered the basics, now it's time to get rescued. Use that mirror in your survival kit, blow your whistle loud and proud, and if you have to, create signals on the ground. Big, bold signs that scream, "Hey, I'm over here!" Remember, the sooner you're found, the sooner you can swap these wild stories around a warm fire with a good cup of cocoa. And there you have it, folks. Follow these tips, and you'll increase your chances of surviving if you ever find yourself stranded in the forest. Remember, the wild can be a dangerous place, but it's also a place of incredible beauty and resilience. Respect it, learn from it, and you never know, you might even enjoy the experience. Stay safe and happy adventuring.